Hey everyone, I'm Lynn with Lash, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about cleaning your lashes and the importance of it, and I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so cleaning your lashes is super important. You do want to wait after the 24 hours to clean your lashes. And after the 24 hours, you do want to make sure you are cleaning them every day with either a baby shampoo, a cleanser, or a lash cleanser. So not cleaning regularly leads to potential infections, irritations, poor lash health and growth, and lash mites. So lash mites are attracted to and feed on dead skin around the area, which could result in balding of the lashes. Buildup on your lashes could cause irritations or sensitivities to products to occur. So it's very important to make sure you are cleaning the lashes every day, and it also helps with the retention. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment below and I'd be happy to answer them for you. Take care.